Yeah, it's shocking how I had no idea about this location, that they installed steps and this water irrigation system. They bring a pipe, I guess, from the river, and it gets, it's very steep here, and it gets irrigated along the slopes. Huh. Very interesting. I'm gonna go check those steps to see how it's for jogging uphill. See, where is that person? That's an island on a Bow River over there. I usually hang around beyond that island. That's my spot. I haven't been here in about 2 years, and all this new stuff. It's now here. This is the area is called Silver Springs. It's 8:05. It's almost dark. Got my headlamp with me. That's Calgary Olympic Park. Yeah, so apparently, according to some people I asked, these were built 2 years ago. I had no idea. Time flies, you know, when you're having fun. This is the start of the stairs next to some tiny waterfalls. Apparently the water is draining from people gardening their lawn. Creates this waterfall, and then it goes into a Bow River over there. And there is apparently another walking trail in here on a boulder. I'm gonna check it out. And a tiny snake, a baby snake, just back on top of the steps. It's a nice jog up the steps. I really enjoyed it. The mountains have been visible due to smoke. I was pretty much the whole summer, just past 3 days starting or so. Oh, it's a nice sunset now. Yeah, maybe I can squeeze a few trees before the deep snow will stop me. Yeah, so this was in Bowmont. I hope you enjoy it. This waterfall valley in Bowmont Natural Environment Park.
Leave.
Oh yeah,
That's
for
what
sure.
I need to get. It's like something with zoom on it, you know.
Yeah, I gotta get
That's why I
a
was trying
better
to get
close up though.
But I will buy a camera at some point.
Yeah, there is not a lot of wildlife, but you know there are moments. You know, can you believe I saw a bull moose here in this park one time?
Really?
Yeah,
Oh.
yeah, I saw him two times in one day. I saw him once, and then he moved away, and then I found him later, and that's the only time I saw. I don't wanna. It's kind of in this area, you know. They have marshes and some. It's protected by some channels, the water, you know. Yeah. I haven't been here in about 2 years, and all of a sudden these stairs pop up. They build these stairs. I had no idea. It's gonna be great for training. I'm heading now to practice rope climbing. I bought a new equipment on a rope from a tree.